Welcome, and this is the mock question number 7 of CKD. So, in this exam, in this CKD multi-container namespace, create a pod named multi-unit pod containing three containers that must meet the following specification. So, container requirement is even first container, second container, and third container. Ensure all three containers inside the pod are successfully run. So, let's get started. Not that previous question. So first create a namespace. So in CKD multi-container namespace, so I'll copy and create MS and use this namespace area. Ckad MS. So you will find this CKD container. Always, whenever you see it create, just with a small command, we get verified because sometimes some mistakes would be done and that cause most damage. So create a pod named. So this multi-unit pod is the name. So we need to create a vi pod.yaml by XML. In examination, search pod. Okay. Then we will go to this pod YAML file and then control F by XML. Don't install because always said that it will take your lot time. So here is the name and name is multi-unit pod, multi-unit pod, and namespace. I always, whenever I'm giving exam or I'm doing any preparation, so I will always make a habit of putting namespace everywhere. If namespace is not mentioned, I will put default there, but here namespace is mentioned. So I'll put that whatever the namespace is given. Some resources which is not namespace content. So the here for second is nginx and here we do have an nginx also. So here expose source so 8080. So I'll make it the container section 8080. So here I'll do ISQ and then I'll press Control V and I will select visual box, full visual box. Then press Y and move cursor where you want to put that thing and press T. So it will get pasted. I forgot to okay. So press Control V. So press Control V in and then copy this all things by just pressing right arrow and then press Y. Go where you want to paste and see whole block is pasted. And this is very easy. Now I need to change a little. So I will make this just alpha base. You need to copy paste because there could be a typo mistake. And here is then PNV. Here is PNV. First we need to PNV that name is ordered and then this is value is first. The value is first. Here Angular tag is different. Here the name is beta and tag is 1.17. Container port is same. Then it's the gamma and here busy was 3131 to copy and paste. Here PNV is ordered type, so I'll order name is ordered and value is first. So this is not completed because BusyBox is won't run for won't run. It only created and exited. So we need to put some seconds. So I'll copy this. I'll write a command for BusyBox to that it's run for first SSL, then I can see, then whatever command. So I will write just for sleep. And sleep is for 24,000 seconds. Actually, it's 6400 seconds because I want to have it for 1 day. So same thing we need to copy and paste. So I'll just Control V and I'll copy this, press Y, and I'll go at the last P and I'll say W and K apply FNF pod the same. So pod is created. Now create pod namespace multi. What is the namespace? Is a switch. So it's a container creating W. Is out of 3 is running. You can describe pod and QAB. So all things is good. We can verify whatever the things it's commands and running all things we need to check. So thank you so much for your love and support and we'll meet in the next interesting section. There are a lot of shorts is available in our channel, and there could be many more in few days. So enjoy, and by watching and scrolling, get a feel of Linux, Azure, AWS, and of course our favorite, my favorite, Kubernetes. Thank you so much for allowing.